Hey guys, this is Alex Ortiz, and in this video, I'm going to explain how you could make some money while traveling. So you love traveling and are trying to monetize it. Luckily, we live in a digital age and it's never been easier to do such a thing. In this video, I'll be going over a few different ideas for monetizing travel that you can either follow or develop into your own personal ideas to match your brand. Mind you, most of these ways are tailored to filmmakers and photographers. The first process that I will cover is becoming a content creator for YouTube. You can create many different types of videos, such as travel vlogs, travel guides, travel tips, your favorite restaurants, your favorite hikes, and much more to build a brand and a following on YouTube. Once you have reached 100 or more subscribers, have a 30-day-old channel, and have uploaded a photo for your channel icon and channel art, you can enable Google's AdSense, which is a service that allows you to monetize your channel. This means you will have ads on your videos that will pay you anytime someone watches one of your videos. Although YouTube is extremely saturated at this point in time, it's still a way to make money online. The best thing about it is that once you create a video, it will live on your channel forever, meaning it is a stream of passive income. The second way to make money while traveling is to sell your videos and photos online to stock websites. There are plenty of different stock websites such as SHUTTERSTOCK, ADOBE Stock, 123RF, Pond5, STORYBLOCKS, and VIDEOHIVE, where you can upload the footage and photos that you've already captured and they have the chance to be sold. Normally, advertising agencies and production companies are the businesses that will buy this content. In other words, it doesn't make sense for an advertising agency to hire a photographer to go capture one photograph of the sunrise in San Francisco. So instead, they'll purchase the photo online and use it in their campaigns. This is also a stream of passive income. You make that initial effort in uploading and tagging your photos, and then they remain on the stock websites for years with the potential to sell. The third way to monetize your travel is to sell prints and canvases. Once you have developed an audience, you can create an account with a website such as SMUGMUG.com, which will allow you to upload all of your shots and let others purchase canvases and prints from you. I myself use SMUGMUG because it takes care of all the printing and shipping. It's one less thing I have to be spending my time on. Since you will already be shooting these photos for the stock websites and your YouTube channel, you might as well upload all of your favorite ones to the website for the potential to earn even more passive income. The fourth way to make money as you travel is to start a blog using a website such as WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix. This will also require a following to reach the point of monetizing it, but when you do reach a large enough audience, you can begin doing paid articles or including local businesses in your travel guides. You can also monetize it in the form of companies sending you their products. If your blog is based on hiking, you can get a hiking clothing brand to send you their products. In addition to the previous 4 ways that I have mentioned, there are many more that you can do. From offering hotels a video in exchange for complimentary stay, to offering a restaurant a spot in your top 5 restaurant video in exchange for a few meals. There are endless possibilities to monetize your trips. So get out there, be creative, and make it happen. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.